Hey guys, welcome to my Boss Babe brow class. In this class, the student will learn all types of brows, but mainly how to be like a boss. Anyone's brows. We use mannequins, as you see, and we have step-by-step instructions listed out so they can go by. And this is the student practicing. In the kit, they will have all they need to do a full face. Watch them work. This was a fun class. The students had their products and they were really working hard on trying to get the symmetry in the brows. So, sorry for my camera angle, but I had hands-on instructions showing them how to get the brows even, how to use less product, because some of them was using a little too much product, how to be light-handed when you're doing your brows. Don't apply too much pressure. And this young lady, we had to really show her how to use her eye to do the concealer properly and to get her brows even. Some students were better than others. Some needed a little more help. But at the end of the day, they got together and they had the instructions foundation so they know what to do at home and what to practice with and how to be able to get the exact shape. So here you see one brow is different than the other. So you have to really use your eye to see where to start the brow, where to end the brow, and how not to make your brows look like caterpillars, but make them look nice and natural. So with help, she got it. Okay, here's some step-by-step instructions for the perfect brow. You find your shape using your nose as the center. You brush your brows with a spoolie. You use an angled brush to use as a tool. You arch your eyes with your preferred method. You arch your eyebrows. Use scissors and product sparingly. Conceal your brows with a flat synthetic brush. And then you want to blend your concealer in only a couple of shades lighter than your natural skin color. And then after that, you can seal it with a brow wax or a liquid sealer. And your brows will last long. There you go. Okay, there are a few products for the brows. You have a sharp brow pencil. You have your brow wax, your brow pomade, and your brow shadow. And the type of brows are soap brows, Insta brows, natural brows, and your regular brows with pencil, not the pomade. And many types is always coming up. I love teaching makeup. This was a 6-week course at Beyond Beauty Academy in Richmond, Virginia. If you'd like to take a class, you can contact us, or you can get a class at DC Artistry Hair and Makeup, located in Richmond, Virginia. We have lash and brow classes. We have full makeup classes for professionals and for those who just want to do it themselves. So just let us know. I'll leave the number below. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.